Okay, today we're going to do this Humminbird Piranha Max 4DI. We're going to install it in the Vibe Kayak. This is the Seaghost 110. And we'll start right here with the transducer. Try and get a good camera angle on it. Y'all can see it. You won't set it in here like this. One good thing about the Vibe Kayaks is they come with a hole already in them, already set up for the transducers. And you want to set it just like this right here. So I've got it measured out. About right there is where I'm going to put it. So let me drill some pilot holes in there real quick. And one good thing, I like to use this right here. On anything you're adding to a kayak, just better be safe than sorry. So what I'll do, I'll get the 2 screws that I'm going to use. Sit them right there. And I'll take this silicone right here and I'll just coat kind of right here on the bottom around the holes where the screws are going to be in. And you can go around the outside too if you want to. You ain't got to put a ton on it, just enough to make it seal off and not get any water inside. So then you can drop your screws down, and I just drilled the pilot hole for something to get them started. A lot of people use cordless drills and everything on putting these screws in. I personally would rather do them by hand. And you know how tight you're getting it. That way you don't over tighten them. Take a chance on stripping anything out. And that dude's mounted. And they send plenty of bolts in their kit. I guess that's the one good thing about the Humminbird unit. They give you pretty much everything you need, or give you everything you need to install it. take. You got your transducer cable here. I'm gonna run that in down there, and I'm gonna leave the access tucked away under here. That way, none of it is in my way. These little clips pop on. Maybe pull this access out real quick. It's a little tight putting the bolts in. And just run your bolt through it like that right there. And you've got a nut thread on there. And there's the Allen wrench that's actually supplied in the kit. Just tighten this dude up. And you only want to go hand tight. It's all plastic, so don't strip it. Alright, and once you get that tight, then I'm going to take all this excess and I'm going to shove it down in here. Because we don't need it on the top. Now, one rule of thumb is you want that set where the water level is going to run parallel. There's a little line. And you want it setting parallel to it. And then you take your cover right here. pop this dude back down on here. It's a nice thing about a Vibe. It comes pre-set up for fish finder. And we can flip our boat back over. Right there is a cord coming through from the bottom side. Also, another nice feature, you got this rack system, or this rail system right here, and that's where I want to put my fish finder. Supplied hardware. And you got your fish finder here. Put it together. And then there it is. You can spin it how you want. Then pop it in there like so.